Empowerment to thrive in the workplace. Thriving in the workplace is possible for everyone. You need to strengthen yourself so that you can experience this change. Listen to this empowerment daily until you see it as absolutely possible for yourself. First, let's remove the cumulative effect of never having prospered in the workplace, in this and in other lives, both in ancestors and descendants. We erase the cumulative effect of working for money. We erase the cumulative effect of doing work that you don't like, aren't passionate about, and doesn't make you feel fulfilled. We erase the misinformation, perception, and interpretation that you can't improve professionally, that you lack knowledge, capacity, and public relations. We erase what comes from you and outside of you at 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. I integrate you into your job or business and your job or business into you. From top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back forward and forward back. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. I separate you from all colleagues who don't thrive, who have little income, and who don't have job fulfillment. I level you with all the people who thrive continuously, that everything is centered, balanced, and stable. We are going to connect your central nervous system with all the people you deal with at work, directly and indirectly in all possible combinations. I integrate you into your daily activities and the daily activities to you. We make this connection and integration again from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back forward, and forward back. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to have a definite purpose, focused, attentive to your daily tasks. We eliminate the weaknesses arising from routine, repetition, and daily lack of control. We wipe out the cumulative effect of uncertainty, sorrow, frustration, rage, anger, and all repressed or expressed emotions. At minus infinity, 0% of the time with infinite time. We erase job dissatisfaction, lack of knowledge, and the inability to make money. We are going to separate your personal problems from your work problems in both directions. We balance them to be centered, stable, and balanced. I strengthen you to have a sense of belonging, identity, and a strong work, professional, and economic self-concept. We erase misconceptions, perceptions, and interpretations that you don't succeed due to the government, other people, or lacking enough education or preparation. At negative infinity, 100% of the time, with infinite time. We're going to erase the energy of all the economic problems that are now blocking, limiting, or stagnating job growth. We erase the misinformation, perception, and interpretation you have of yourself, your physical, mental, emotional, intellectual, economic, and relationship aspects. At negative infinity, 100% of the time, with infinite time. We erase the energy of pretexts, complaints, and pent-up and contained anger towards your way of making money. I make you strong to turn problems into opportunities for growth. Strong to feel, perceive, and intuit the multiple solutions to your problems. Strong to accept, admit, and recognize that you can and should continually thrive. Strong to learn new and different skills and knowledge that facilitate your performance. We eliminate the distortion of the mind of feeling that others are against you. We erase the cumulative effect of problems, disappointments, betrayals, disloyalties, thefts, and injustices. Strong enough to feel superior to your problems, strong enough to be neutral, to have objectivity and resilience in the face of problems. We separate debilitating emotions, sensations, and reactions from the strengthening ones. We erase weaknesses and separate emotions, sensations, and reactions in all their possible combinations. We erase to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We level emotions, sensations, and reactions in all their possible combinations so that they are centered, balanced, and stable, and strengthen them to be strongly neutral. We erase the distorted, exaggerated, magnified, pervasive, and intensified perception of the relationship between time, money, and effort. We erase the feeling of injustice for working hard but earning little. We erase what comes from ancestors, descendants, physical spaces collectively from this and other lives. We erase the cumulative effect of not feeling recognized, grateful, and needed in your job or business. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, with infinite time. We erase the misinformation, perception, and interpretation that to prosper you have to do it with effort, difficulty, and tiredness. We erase the interpretation of having to deserve the income, of having to suffer the income. We erase the apathy, frustration, tiredness, pent-up rage, and hurt feelings towards circumstances or people in the workplace. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to find inspiration in other people. We erase the debilitating memories of failure, frustration, fatigue, apathy, disinterest, injustice that come from your entire school years. We eliminate fatigue through self-demand, perfectionism, and generalized dissatisfaction. Strong to consistently, continuously, and frequently develop leadership. Strong to feel confident in what you think, do, and say. Strong to have autonomy in objective decisions and neutrality for job growth. Strong to have daily action, clarity, transparency, and honesty. Strong to take responsibility, admit mistakes, and fix bad decisions. Strong to self-motivate every day. Strong to keep your purpose, goals, and daily objectives in mind. Strong to pay full attention to every task you perform to do it with maximum impeccability. Strong to communicate assertively, to convey ideas without confusion, and to use the right tones and words with the right people. Strong to innovate every day. Connect your midline to the Earth's midline to yours, yours to the universe's midline, and the universe's to your midline. Everything from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back forward, and back back. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to feel the same, not the same, different, not different, change, no change, perception, non-perception. We're going to strengthen the internal dynamics, internal limits, external limits, and vertices of all these geometries, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to erase all weaknesses, everything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks this from being erased. We are going to remove remains, vestiges, traces, remnants, and impressions of everything we have erased. We take away resistance, we take away rejection and disbelief. We erase all of this to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to reset your body, mind, and spirit. Strong to recalibrate your thinking, your perception, and your consciousness. And strong to reprogram your life purpose, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. All right, tell me, how do you feel, the same or different?